Today I'll show you how to make unlimited cloud storage website using Telegram.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update.
First, go to Telegram and make a private channel. Now go to Bot Father and make a bot. Now add the bot as admin in the channel you just created. Now copy the bot token and paste it in the code. Now to get your channel ID, send a message in your channel and forward it to this bot. Copy the channel ID and paste in the code. Now open it in Chrome. Upload files, and you'll see them here. You'll see the files will be stored in your Telegram channel.